What's going on, YouTube? I'm gonna give you guys a little incentive on what I'm gonna do here in the near future. As you've seen, or if you have seen my previous video on taking these optics out in the cold temperatures, because this Eotech here has had a lot of hype about losing zero and all that stuff with the temperature changes. So what I did is I had it sighted in. I've sighted it in once and never sighted it in again. It's never left this gun since I put on it. Excuse me. Scope's never left the gun since I put it on. It's been locked down, held zero. But it was, it's been zeroed since I shot it, and it's been a couple winters now. I've had this scope for a couple years, and I have shot it in the cold. But I did a video for you guys. It was all sighted in the summertime, and I decided to take it out. It was probably about 20 degrees out in the middle of winter. And I took both these guns out, and I did a little review of if it was going to hold zero, because it had been through the temperature changes, and it was in the summer since the last time I had brought the gun out, and I figured I'd take it out in the freezing cold to see how it did. Well, if you guys seen the video and watched it, or if you have, it performed fine. There was nothing wrong with it. Hit zero at 50 yards where I had zeroed it in the first place at 50 yards, and I put off 5 shots in about a 2-inch circle at 50 yards. So, and I think 2 or 3 of them were almost touching in about 20-degree weather. So that was a good thing. I also took the ACOG out. The ACOG was a new scope when the video aired, probably a couple months ago, 3 or 4 months ago now, in the middle of winter. It was hitting high right, and I had made the adjustments and everything, and I've taken this one out since, and it's fired fine, and it's still holding zero. I just had to I don't think this one was all the way sighted in, so I'm going to give this one a scratch. Next winter, I'm going to take this out. Now that it's zeroed, I'm going to take it out and see what it did, or see what it does. Anywho, I am going to take these out, or the Eotech for the most part. I'm going to take this out in the near future, now that it's 60, 70, 80 degrees out here in Michigan. It's starting to get high 60s and the 70s. So here, once it warms up, and here in a couple weeks, it'll probably start hitting the 80s and mid 80s, and I'm gonna take it out and see how she does. And I have no doubt in my mind that it's gonna hold zero, because like I said, I've had this optic on this rifle in that same spot since I bought it. I put it on there, I zeroed it in, and it hasn't left that spot. It hasn't been moved. I have dropped the rifle a couple times, actually, from quite a distance on accident, and no problems. Haven't lost zero since I mounted it. And I plan to do the same thing with this optic here, the ACOG. I mounted it on there, and I don't think I had it zeroed in all the way. That's why I was hitting high right, but I got it hitting where I need to now, and it's been consistent. So I'm going to wait till next winter, and I'm going to take that out just out of curiosity. I don't think the ACOGs have had any temperature change issues or anything like that, but just out of curiosity to make sure, it does what it's supposed to, because if not, I'll take it in or switch it in, or let them know and get a brand new one or something. So, just to give you guys a little update video what's going on. I had to wait for it to get warm, because it has been super cold, and I don't have any outdoor range or indoor ranges anywhere close that I can go shoot them. So, yeah, there you guys go. So I'll be having a video up here in the near future, a couple weeks, once I get time to actually take it out, and it's a good warm solid day. I'll take it out and smack some steel and shoot some paper and get some groups with it, and let you guys know what I'm finding out with it. So, thanks for watching.